There are three essential steps for molecular diagnosis: sample preparation, nucleic acid extraction, and real-time PCR. Among them, the causes of diagnostic errors are most likely to occur in the first step, preparing samples for nucleic acid extraction. When using an automatic nucleic acid extractor, the sample preparation step involves collecting a sample and loading them in a well of a plate. What problems might occur when processing a large number of samples? First, when loading a large number of samples, there may be a human error where the user mistakenly loads a sample in a wrong location. Second, splashes may occur when loading the samples. Those may enter the adjacent wells and cause cross-contamination between them, which results in false positive results. What problems can occur during the sample preparation step for pool testing? Manually loading samples and recording their information is a time-consuming and tedious task. Researchers will feel exhausted, reducing the labor efficiency. This results in human errors and mismatching of sample data. What kind of ripple effect could these problems cause? After identifying mistakes in the loading step, retesting will waste the sample, time, money, and labor force. If the mistakes cannot be identified, the false positive or false negative will damage the finance and reputation. The sample preparation is a first step in agromolecular diagnosis. How can the samples be loaded without human errors? BIONEER provides solutions for an accurate sample loading step. AccuLoader guides the users to load the samples in a correct well. During the mass loading step, by scanning the sample information with a barcode reader, the instrument can identify its well position and guides the users to the correct well. Additionally, AccuLoader can prevent cross-contamination among the samples with its shield cover and filter. AccuLoader covers all the wells except for the one for the loading. While the conventional methods pose a high risk of the cross-contamination, AccuLoader has a contamination shield cover to minimize the risk. Its contamination prevention filter can also minimize the risk of contamination caused by the tip contact. AccuLoader is an instrument with an user-friendly design. AccuLoader can be used easily with this dedicated app. Run the AccuLoader app and configure the settings according to each loading condition. Tap the Start button. Scan the barcode on the sample tube and load the samples in the well following the guide of AccuLoader instrument. Moreover, loading conditions can be adjusted freely with the app. Either load one sample per well or pool multiple samples in a single well. When loading one sample in a well, after the instrument scans the barcode on the sample tube, AccuLoader will automatically position itself to the next well. Users can load the following samples in the correct well. When pooling the multiple samples in one well, scan the barcode so that the app can automatically count the samples for pooling. Users can easily check the number in the app. Users can easily manage the sample information. Simply scan the barcode on the sample tube so that the app can save the information. The information can be transferred to a real-time PCR instrument. Finally, AccuLoader has a small footprint, allowing it to be freely placed in a clean bench. AccuLoader can be used with a wide range of instruments. Its plate block can fit plates and tubes from BIONEER and other companies. If necessary, use with a heating block. For samples that need pretreatment, AccuLoader can be used with a heating block. Correct loading of a sample is the beginning of accurate diagnosis. BIONEER provides the best solution for an accurate diagnosis.